Gonna replace the stock windscreen, if you could call it a windscreen. This one is completely black, some kind of molded plastic. This was supposed to be clear, but apparently BMW didn't get it DOT approved, so they had to replace it with a black one. But I'm gonna take this off and put on the Rally Raid windscreen, which is in there. It came pretty fast. I'm in California, and the item shipped from the UK and came here in 3 days. Ordered it Monday, came out here Wednesday. So this is how it comes. I just opened it. This is the windscreen. Nothing else in the box. So in the windscreen, our instructions, hardware. So the T there, I'm assuming is for the tinted. I ordered the tinted shield, so I'm gonna unpack this and show you what's all in there. All right, so we got the windscreen. We got the mounting hardware, so you get 4 grommets, 4 rubber grommets, 4 nylon spacers, 2 regular size bolts and 2 shorter ones. So as you can see on the shield, there's 4 mounting points, 1, 2, 3, 4, or mounting holes, which should align with the OEM mounting holes. So we're gonna take this off and put on the new one and see how it looks. This is what it looks like right now. And we're gonna put on the new one. I read the instructions again and I almost missed a step. You gotta remove these top hat spacers. So what they look like here, you remove it. Looks like this. We gotta reuse this. And then what's interesting is they say to reuse these original grommets, but I removed this one earlier and it's like very flimsy. Feels like they're gonna rip, which is probably why they included these thicker ones. They're really thick. So I'd rather use these. Those ones are pretty flimsy, so we'll continue and mount the windscreen. Alrighty guys, the windscreen is installed to the OEM mounting holes here, all 4 of them. I was unsure about the placement of the top hat spacer, which is that silver piece there. But I use common sense here. It acts like a washer, right? So you don't, the screw just doesn't go right through the grommet over time. So I put the screw, bolt, whatever, then the top hat spacer, rubber grommet, windscreen, and then the nylon spacer, if you can see it in there, that little black piece right there. It's on this side. And so in the instructions, it doesn't say what side the top hat spacer goes to, but that's where I did it. And based on their picture, it looks like screw and then top hat spacer. So there's that. And the spacer on the back allows space between the windscreen and the actual light assembly. So there's that. Mainly got this windscreen so it could, get the wind off my chest. It gets kind of cool down here in Southern California, in the mornings especially. And when you're riding, there's wind chill as well. So the fairings on the side, they do a pretty good job to keep it off my legs. And it funnels air into the radiator, which is nice. I will be getting a radiator grill guard here in the near future. I'll do an install video on that as well. And another point about this windscreen. Per the Rally Raid website, it has clearance for bark buster handguards. So that's a future install that I'm going to do as well. So it should have clearance. I mean, this is full lock right now. Plenty of clearance for a wraparound handguard. So there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good one.